Apple Earnings Preview. Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about Apple's upcoming earnings report, which is scheduled for November 2, 2023, after the market close. Apple is one of the most valuable companies in the world, and its earnings reports are closely watched by investors and analysts alike. The company has a strong track record of beating analyst expectations, and it has a number of catalysts that could drive growth in the coming quarters. Analysts' expectations. Analysts are generally optimistic about Apple's earnings prospects for the quarter. The consensus EPS forecast is $1.39, which would represent a 7.8% increase from the same quarter last year. Analysts are also expecting strong revenue growth, with the consensus forecast calling for revenue of $89.5 billion. There are a number of key catalysts that could drive growth for Apple in the coming quarters. One key catalyst is the launch of new iPhone models in September. The iPhone is Apple's most important product, and analysts are expecting strong demand for the new models, especially the iPhone 15. Another key catalyst is the growth of Apple's services business. This segment includes the App Store, Apple Music, iCloud, and other services. The services business has been growing rapidly in recent years, and it is now Apple's second largest revenue driver. Analysts are expecting continued growth in the services business in the coming quarters, driven by factors such as the increasing number of paid subscribers to Apple's services and the launch of new services such as Apple TV+. Finally, Apple is benefiting from the global shift to digital technology. The company's products and services are essential to many people's lives, and this demand is likely to continue to grow in the coming years. What to watch for in the earnings report? Analysts will be closely watching a number of key metrics in Apple's earnings report. These metrics include iPhone sales. Analysts will be looking to see if Apple can meet or beat expectations for iPhone sales. Services revenue growth. Analysts will be looking for continued growth in Apple's services business. Gross margin. Analysts will be watching Apple's gross margin to see if it can maintain or improve its margins. Operating expenses. Analysts will be looking for signs that Apple is able to control its operating expenses. Cash flow. Analysts will be looking for Apple to continue to generate strong cash flow. Overall, analysts are expecting Apple to report strong earnings on November 2. The company has a number of catalysts that could drive growth in the coming quarters, including the launch of new iPhone models and the growth of its services business. I will be keeping a close eye on the earnings report and will provide my own analysis on the day of the release. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Also, let me know in the comments below what you think of Apple's earnings prospects.